Crazy Chef, we've had some requests for burgers. We don't very often do burgers, but Crazy Chef, we're good food for busy people, so it has to be prepared with good ingredients but fairly quickly done. Now, we're going to have Trump burgers, we're going to have Brexit burgers, and now, by popular request, we're also having a Polish Polski burger. So first of all, I'll show you how to make the meat patties, if you like. I'm going to use 400 grams of reduced fat Aberdeen Angus beef mix. I'm going to use 1 large egg to help bind it, some flour to help bind it, I've got some herbs, flat leaf parsley, oregano, basil. I mean, if you fancy some special, your own herbs that you love, use your own herbs. I'm going to have a little bit of sea salt, quite a bit of black ground pepper, and I'm going to stick a tablespoonful of Djon mustard in it. And of course the egg is free range. Right, here's the mixing bowl. We've got 400 grams of Aberdeen Angus lean steak. It says 15% fat, so it's lean. Put all of that in. Scrunch it up a bit. Lovely lean steak. Now look, what I'm doing now, I've got some freshly chopped onion. Now try to make, this is 1 whole onion, white onion chopped. Try to make it as fine as you can. This isn't terribly fine because I was doing it in a hurry, but try to make it fine. Finer the better. Scrunch it in. You may have to wash your hands a couple of times doing all this because it gets a bit sticky. Right, okay. One free range egg. This helps bind it all together. Use a spoon. I'm going to put a soup spoon, believe it or not, worth of mustard, French Dijon mustard. Put some a little bit of sea salt. Always do it in your hand so you don't overdo it. Ground black pepper. You put quite a bit of this in if you like. Rid of that. You could, if you wanted to make it a bit bready, you could put some cream biscuits, cream crackers shredded or things like that in it, but I'm not doing it for the moment. Right, now I'm going to put some basil. Just put some in your hand. Basil. Oregano or oregano, which I like. Oops. Flat parsley. What else have I got? Bit of tarragon. I mean, it's up to you what you put in. That's no bloody good doing that. Tarragon. Okay. And some tomato sauce. Ketchup. Just add what you think, what you've got available really. I mean, it all looks rather tasty. Right. That's all done. That's done. Excellent. Right, get rid of that. Plate ready. I'm going to put a bit of flour in, just to sort of bind it up a bit. To say you could use biscuits, you could do whatever you like, but I use flour as a rule. Right, now we're ready to shape them. Just grab a handful, just make it little patties. This is where you have trouble if you haven't cut your onion up too fine. But little patties like that. That's nice and dry on the hand. Look, it's not sticking. It's nice and dry like that. Make them flat. I'll put it on a plate. I just put a bit of flour on the plate so it doesn't stick. Just punch around in your hand, spread it, just punch it all together. When it feels nice and okay, spread it out a little bit. Pat it out a little bit. That's why they call them beef pat. Well, I suppose in America they call them beef patties, but we don't know what we call them here. Right, another one. This is the base of our burger. Now I'm having Brexit Burger, Trump Burger, and Polish Polski Burger. They're all slightly different. They'll all be slightly different. If it gets too sticky, just put a little bit of flour in. That's another one.